What is up everyone, this is Team WS channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can enable auto rotate or landscape mode in Realme Narzo 30 or Realme Narzo 30 5G. So before starting video, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So to enable auto rotate or landscape mode in Realme Narzo 30 or Narzo 30 5G, first of all simply you just need to open settings. So first just open settings and then go to display and brightness settings, and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video to enable auto rotate or landscape mode.